Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Mrs. Williams, and welcome to a brand new school year. Welcome to my channel, and welcome to my classroom. This school year, I plan to use YouTube for my online classroom. I'm going to use this channel to post videos that's going to provide the majority of any notes, information, and materials that you'll need to know in order to be successful in my class. So basically, I'm doing most of my teaching on YouTube. Now, I know some of you are thinking that Miss Williams is doing the most. She's being real extra right now. I'm not. I just think students don't need my help in order to copy down notes and copy down examples. You guys are smart enough to do that on your own. But you may need my help to actually complete the assignments. So this way, you can do the easy part at home on your own, and then when you come to class, we can use those notes to actually work out assignments and problems. And you don't have to worry about whether you're getting the answer right or wrong, because I'll be there to help you the entire time. The only thing you have to focus on now is making sure you understand how to do the work and understand how to solve the problem. So let's talk about the videos for just 1 second. Pretty much every week I'm going to post 1 to 2 videos that's going to go over and give you all the information you need for the lesson that week. With that being said, I want you to go ahead and click the subscriber button down below. And hold on, wait, time. I'm really not trying to become a YouTube celebrity. I'm not trying to get 1 million followers. I really just want you to subscribe so that way you'll never miss when I post a new video, and you'll always have your notes ready when you come to class. So go ahead, click it. I'll wait. Did you click it yet? Anyway, second thing you need to know about my videos are they're short. So I strongly suggest you watch the videos more than 1 time to make sure that you get everything that you need to know from the video. The first time you watch the video, watch it straight through without stopping. And just make sure you listen and pay attention to the vocabulary words, you pay attention to the examples that I'm giving, and how I work them out. The second time you go through the video is when you will stop and start, rewind, and pause in order for you to copy down the notes. Speaking of notes, there are 2 non-negotiables about how you should take your notes as you watch the video. The first is a composition book. All notes, got a text message. All notes must be written in your composition notebook. The second thing is all notes must be written using the Cornell Notes method. I'm going to input a video clip right here to show you how to set up your composition notebook as well as how to do Cornell Notes. The first thing you want to do is write your name in permanent marker on the cover of your composition book. The very first page is going to be our table of contents. You're going to receive a lot of notes throughout the year, and we want to make sure they're organized. In the left-hand margin, we're going to write down the page numbers for our notes so we know where to find them, and we'll also write the title for those notes. Always remember to number your pages as you go along. I only numbered up to 5 in the video, but you should number throughout the whole composition notebook. Also, we're going to receive a lot of notes, and you're going to need more than 1 page for your table of contents. In my notebook, I made pages 1, 2, 3, and 4 table of contents pages. On page 5, I started my Cornell Notes. Cornell Notes means you're going to draw a line at the bottom of your page, about 4 or 5 lines up from the bottom. Then you're going to also draw a line on the left-hand side a little bit wider than the pink margin. At the top, you're going to always write your title, and in that big section, this is where you will write the notes from the video, any examples and vocabulary. At the bottom is where you're going to write a summary for the notes that are on that page. So here we have an example of a set of Cornell notes. At the top, I've written the title. In every video, you will write down the standard and the essential questions. Next, you can see that I've used that larger space to write down any additional notes. In the margin, you will write down any questions or any thoughts you may have. At the bottom, you will write a summary for the notes on that page. Here's another example where I have continued writing the notes in the larger section. I've continued to write down questions and additional thoughts in the left-hand margin, and once again, the summary will be at the bottom. So this is how your notes should be set up for each video that you watch. So this is how you should set up your composition notebook and how you should take notes as you watch each video. If you're still confused about the Cornell Notes method, I'm going to link another YouTube video below that really goes in depth about how to set up the Cornell Notes and explain how to write the notes. Okay? So don't worry, just watch the other video below. Well, that's pretty much everything that I wanted to tell you in this introduction video. I just wanted to let you know how my class is going to work, how my channel is going to work, and how your notes should be set up. Secondly, I really want your feedback. If you have any suggestions or any ideas on how I can improve my channel, please just leave them in the comments below, or if you want, you can just tell me when you come to class. I really want this channel to be interesting, and I want this channel to make learning easier for you. So if you have any ways that I can do that, just let me know. Lastly, I'm a big believer in positivity, and I'm a big believer in you. So every video, I'm going to leave you with a positive quote so that you can think about. And I want you to write your reaction to the quote also in the comments below. There is a big difference between being the best and being your best. Talk to you later. Bye.